This is Mikhail Lazarev, and in this video I will show you how to install BLU 1984. The first point, you should go to my repository mikhail-lazarev/BLU 1984 and go to installation section. And now together we will go this installation step by step. The first point, you should clone this repository. Just copy this command. And the next point, you should install the Python microservice for Twitter scrapping. So let's open this repository in another window. And here you can check also how to install manual. So let's follow this installation. Let's clone this repository also here. And we should go to this directory called BLU 1984-TS. TS means Twitter scrapper. And here we should create a new virtual environment for Python 3. And when it's created, we should activate it with source command. And if you do everything right, you could see this V sign in brackets. It means that we are now activated our virtual environment. And now let's install all requirements. And the next really significant point, you should set up secret token which could be used for basic authorization. So I write export secret equals, for example, BlueZ. And the last point, we should start our server and check that it works correctly. Yeah, now you can see listening and this is address. And let's check that it works. Oh, it works. Perfect. We just have done the first step. We installed Python microservice. And so let's come back, open another tab. Do not close this Python microservice. It should work in background. And let's start another part of installation. So I go to my core directory, and you can see this is a directory called BLU 1984. So as it's written in point 3, so I change the dir, and here I just start to install all dependencies of my server. Perfect. Now it's time to make all needed configurations. So I rename the sample JSON to JSON and start to edit it. So I use Visual Code, but it's up to you which editor you will prefer. Perfect. And here I should provide all needed configuration. I would prefer the port number 4000, and I have really ready-made BlueZ mnemonic. Boom. And endpoint. Chain ID. As main DB, you can create any unique ID for BlueZ database. So let's make it Mikhail-1984. And you should have a sentry count for error handling. It works in production mode, but really it's crucial to have it to follow all errors. And let's go to our, oh sorry, I do not make it bigger. And so let's go back and copy this address as Python microservice address and copy this secret for authentication. Yeah. Now it's done. Let's close my editor and now we are ready to start. So let's start with yarn div. Perfect. Now we are listening the server on the port of 4000 and we have enough money on account for getting information from database and saving to database also. So the next point is to install mobile apps. So let's open another tab, please. It's really crucial. Do not close any open application because they're servers and they should work together. And I go to my directory, Blue 1984, and here I go to mobile folder. Perfect, yes, it works. And the first thing I should do is just to install all dependencies. Perfect. The next point, I should provide the correct configuration. So I start with code.config.ts and here I should provide the address. And of course you can enter localhost on 4000 port, but my advice is to make a little bit difference because it would be possible to test this application on your physical devices. So let's go to network preferences and found my network address, temporary network address. Start with HTTP and here I enter my address and 4000. And let's copy for production environment also. Yep. Now we are ready for iOS packages installation. So I go to iOS folder and enter pod install to get all iOS dependencies. Perfect, it works. And now I go up and run yarn iOS. It's previous project, so press dismiss and let's wait. Because it takes time to build this project for iPhone. Что?
Интернет приехали проводить. Уже сейчас на наш участок зашли люди.
Сейчас пойдем.